Yo, what is going on YouTube? I am Germ here. As you guys can see up on the screen today, I wanted to talk a little bit about Pharmacyte Biotech Incorporated. This is ticker symbol Pmcb, and I want to talk about this one today because it is up 189% in a single trading day, even though you can see right here it was down 14% after hours today, which sounds horrible, sounds like it got killed, sounds like it got crushed. But when you were up 189% intraday, or during the actual trading day, being down 14% after hours is a little easier to swallow. It's a little easier to stomach, and it probably even makes a little bit more sense, because if you go up 189% or even over 100% or over 50% in a single day, you have a lot of room to go down very, very fast, and it's still not even a bad thing. But yeah, there is definitely a lot to talk about with this stock. People are definitely going to be curious. People are definitely going to be wondering what the heck is going on that got this stock just skyrocketing in a single day, and we'll be talking about all of that in this video. So definitely drop a like if you guys do enjoy it. I would appreciate it so much, and subscribe to stay up to date on all my latest content. We're getting really close to 1,000 subscribers. That is a big goal of mine. We can get there a little bit faster if you guys click that button really quick, and I would appreciate it a ton. With that being said, let's get right into this one. So Pmcb, obviously this is a biotech stock. These stocks, as we know, are very volatile. They are very crazy. 189% days, it's unusual, but it's not like impossible. We've covered multiple of them on my channel so far in the last couple of months. But the interesting thing about this company that stands out to me, at least, is the $16 million market cap. That is so small. That might be the smallest stock we've ever covered on this channel, and that gives it even more room for volatility and crazy swings up and down. It makes it such a risky play, such a risky investment. This is a tiny. This is smaller than a micro cap stock. Very small. This is the Yahoo Finance page for it. As you can see, they have it here listed in the extremely overvalued region, which I just think is kind of funny. But yeah, why did this stock pop so much? Why did this thing go so crazy? The news here is that Pharmacyte Biotech, Pmcb, more than doubles in value after Nasdaq uplisting. This is from seekingalpha.com. So the nanocap stock Pmcb has added over twofold in value intraday on above average volume of shares. So far, 140 plus million shares have changed hands, more than the 343 times, more than 343 times the average share volume over the past 65-day period. So the big news, what's going on here, is that last week the company announced that its shares were going to be moving to the Nasdaq Capital Market on August 10th for trading over the counter, and the gains have been over 150% since then. Pmcb, a development stage biotech company focused on cellular therapies for cancer and diabetes, also announced the pricing of its underwritten public offering that aimed for $15 million in gross proceeds, which again is right around the overall total value of the company. Previously in July, Pmcb announced a 1-for-1,500 reverse stock split, which is also crazy. I mean, that is why the stock is worth like $9 or whatever, but still only at a $15 million market cap. Obviously, the ticker price doesn't matter that much. You have to actually dive in, see how many shares and everything there are out there. But yeah, they did a 1-for-1,500 reverse stock split, which obviously increased the price significantly when you're kind of stacking that many shares together. And this was identified by the CEO as a necessary step before before they'd be able to list the shares on a national stock exchange like the Nasdaq. So yeah, this was kind of the big news coming out for them. Getting that Nasdaq listing was obviously a big deal. It got a lot of people excited. It got a lot of investors excited. It got a lot of people buying in. Obviously, it opened up this company to a ton of new markets, and they were able to raise some money from this whole thing, which is very interesting. Now, again, tiny company, it's gonna be volatile, it's gonna move like crazy, especially now that it's easier for a lot more people to trade. That means people are buying it, that means people are gonna be selling it, shorting it, doing all these different things. So the price for Pmcb is definitely going to be moving all over the place, and it's going to be an interesting one to watch out for. I mean, something that has this kind of potential to explode and move like this is going to get investors interested, but I do kind of question whether or not they'll be able to hold on to these gains, whether they're going to crash right back down, whether they'll hold this and trade sideways for a little while. I don't know. It's going to be interesting, but it's definitely something to look into, because obviously this stock is making some moves. They made it this far. They got on the Nasdaq, and they're going from here. But yeah, that is why PMCB is up so much. That's why it's going crazy. And yeah, pretty much it for this video today, guys. Definitely drop a like if you did enjoy it. I would appreciate it so much. Leave a comment down below. Let me know what you think about PMCB. I would love to hear your guys' thoughts and opinions. Subscribe to stay up to date on all my latest content. Hopefully catch you guys in the next one. But until then, peace.